One day, I want to close my eyes and not see that burning tree. Maybe when this is all over, that will be my peace. Carvings around here are bears and owls.
Careful, traveler. We are outnumbered.
Outnumbered? By who?
9 tails. Either we fight together, or they will be gloating over our corpses.
I don't even know you.
Is a stranger's life worth nothing these days?
All right, fine. No one's gloating over me.
This way, through the brush.
Keep looking. He's around here somewhere. You only need him. My head is yours if you can take it! You will not be ready for this!
Why do I get the feeling you didn't need my help?
I had to know whether you needed mine.
And?
Your swing shows promise.
You must be Master Enomoto, the Kusarigama sensei I've heard about. I'm Atsu. I'd like to learn.
That's wisdom I usually keep to myself. But you helped an old man when you did not have to. So tell me, why do you fight?
I'm told I'm pretty good with a blade. Pays well, too.
Mercenaries would not go to the trouble of seeking me out.
It's not a lie. But Lord Saito slaughtered my parents. I won't rest until he's dead.
I see. Then I have some things to show you. Now, step forward, Atsu, and take this Kusarigama from the owl. It will be your companion going forward. Like a Kusarigama, an owl is a silent hunter. Its talons are sharp. Use it to cut through the bamboo up the hill. This way. Cut through the bamboo! Good! Quick, swift strikes! The bear's arms are long and powerful, like the Kusarigama's hundo. Use it to smash the pot. Use the hundo. Smash through. Always remember, the Kusarigama is the owl and bear joined together. You must use both. Now, come across the river.
Why do the Ninetails want you dead?
An old quarrel.
What sort of quarrel?
Another time.
The old man has to come through here. Double rations to whoever kills him. Look around.
More Ninetails.
A good chance to put what you have learned to use. Now, it is important you understand that Kusarigama is fearsome, but it is best against shielded foes.
And if my enemy doesn't have a shield?
The Kusarigama will still kill, but will not shine. If you meet a foe with only a sword, it's best to draw your own sword. Show me the best weapon to use against katana. Good. Katana against katana. Show me which weapon you will draw when facing shields.
A Kusarigama. To break through their shields and cut them down.
Yes, the bear breaks through, the owl cuts down. You're ready to move on.
I see you there.
You'll cut the head off the snake!
Kill a woman! Finish this! We're here for the old man. the right technique. Be ready for this!
Nice of you to help.
I already know how to wield the weapon. Why deprive you the chance to learn? Step with purpose, Atsu. The weather is turning.
It's cold. Harder to climb.
Training only counts when your toes are numb.
Won't matter if my fingers freeze and I fall.
The Nine Tails are the only enemy in this valley. The weather can be a cunning opponent. Now we rest. Join me.
That was a lot of Ninetails coming for you.
They're getting bolder.
One of them kept calling you old man. Who is he?
My grandson.
Your grandson is trying to kill you?
He's lost, consumed by his anger towards me. The Nine Tails turned it into a weapon. Now he believes killing me will heal an old wound.
Is he right?
As the one whose head would be rolling on the ground, I think not. Ah, the storm is here. Good. We will continue on.
Good. Shouldn't we stay inside?
Will the enemy wait for fair weather to attack? We must train for the worst. Now unleash the Kusarigama. Strike the targets.
It's too cold. I can't get a good grip.
Try again.
It's not working.
The cold is outside your body, Atsu. But your disbelief is inside.
My fingers know what they believe.
You have to be comfortable in the storm. Follow me. Higher.
Doesn't this cold slow you down?
The storm is an old friend to me.
Maybe you need better friends. This wind! I can barely hold on!
As in any battle, if you believe you'll fail, then you will. And it is a long way down. We're here. Now, show me your technique.
Again? It's freezing!
You ask for mercy? Will Lord Saito show you any? Once more, show me your technique.
I can't get a good grip in this cold.
If you hope to fight in this valley, you must learn to live within it.
I'm trying.
I asked you before why you fight. Do you think Lord Saito shrinks away from the cold?
No.
If he were here now, would you strike him down or go inside and drink tea? I can make a brew of hot sencha if you like.
Fine. You've made your point. What do I need to do?
Over here. This pool is fed by snow melt from the mountain peak. It's frigid, but it will brace your spirit.
You're joking.
The same conviction that brought you here can warm you from within.
The cold waters are outside my body. In my mind, they don't exist. If I can believe that, I might survive this.
You're still here. Few last this long.
Now you tell me.
And now you understand your mind is your true center of power. Your body is simply an instrument of its will.
I want to have another go at those targets.
Yes, please do. Well done. Now I have one final test for you. Face me. Strike me as you would your enemies. Good. You have done well.
Now how about that cup of tea? I think I've earned it.
Indeed.
Tea never felt so good.
A necessity for survival in this valley.
Be honest with me, Master Enomoto. You didn't fight the Ninetales earlier, because you don't want to fight your grandson.
What grandfather would?
Why does he hate you?
His mother was killed in a senseless crime. He looked to me for training to avenge her. I refused.
Yet you teach me, and I hope to kill Saito.
I do not begrudge justice in the face of atrocity. But my grandson came to hate the whole world. He wants everyone to suffer.
So he joined the Ninetales instead.
And now his venom towards me is turned against the people of this valley. Come, there's work to be done. We must stay together.
More training?
In time. Now you will put your new skills to use. You must become my instrument in this valley. The Nine-Tails spread terror across the land. Take note of what you see below.
What am I looking at?
A Nine-Tails den. You must clear them out. Free any innocents you find. Now on the other side of the valley.
A port village.
Yes, a weaponsmith is being held there. An important ally to improve your Kusarigama.
Why can't you do this?
My presence only fuels my grandson's resolve. He doesn't know you.
And if our paths cross? You want me to kill him, don't you?
To even utter those words about my own blood.
Is this why you're training me?
Peace must be restored.
I understand. Find me, boy.
Right, because you're always...
A new Kusarigama skill. Come, Homura. Master Homura. His rope snapped. Wonder what he was climbing to. Ha!
Oh, it's you! I cannot thank you enough for saving my family.
Your wife is the one who kept you alive.
She is brave, skilled, and a beautiful mother. I am a lucky man.
Just make sure to lay low for now. Keep each other safe.
You return. Please, feel free to look at my wares. I was hoping we'd see you again.
Your dyes are beautiful.
The technique has been in my family for generations. Now, I can share it with my daughter. Thanks to you. It is impossible to repay that sort of kindness. But I'd like you to have this. It is the least I can do.
Thank you.
Are you looking to dye something? Let me show you our technique. Of course. It belongs to you now. Come back soon.
Come!
My hammer is ready. What do we have here? Aren't you lucky we met? Come back for tea sometime.
Kusarigama, looking to trade? Kusarigama, want to see my new wares? Come back if you need anything.
Have you belongings in need of dyeing? You've come to the right dyer. I should get these dyes. Ready next.